So I just opened this box from Fashionphile. This is my first ever purchase from them, and I bought myself a new wallet. So it comes with this really cute little tissue paper. Looks like there's a little nail file, which is great. Let's see here. Thank you card. Probably product information. I'll open that later. And here it is. Used is the new you. Sorry, this is kind of hard to do one-handed. I need to get a stand. Oop, here it is. There's a sticker on it. This is the box of the wallet. It's like a nice little heft to it. Here's, looks like this is a Fashionphile dust bag. And the authenticity card is right here. And let's see. Here it is. I have a larger Prada wallet now, and I decided to downsize to a, I think this is like a medium-sized version. I may do a review on this. This is the Saffiano leather, which I'm hoping will be very durable. It looks great. It doesn't look like there's any marks or scuffs. When I purchased this, the description did say that it was like new condition and it looks wonderful. So I'm excited to start using this. All right, there it is, the Prada Saffiano wallet.